So a lot of you may not know this, but we had sort of a pandemic recently, if you don't recall. But I remember thinking about how medicine would change. And a lot of that change comes in how you, go to the doctor or stay at home and take care of yourself in a way. And the mobile devices, the apps, and the technologies that are now coming for your in-home, at-home care is incredible. In fact, we've gotten to interview one company so far a couple times, but now we get to finally bring them on stage for our 20th anniversary of covering CES. We have Otiton Medical, and right now we have Seol with us to help explain what they have. Thanks for joining.
Hello, I'm Seol, and our company name is Otiton Medical, and this is our product, which is the smart thermometer. So the cool thing about our product has two lids, which means that one side you can take your temperature like a normal thermometer, and one side there's a little camera inside. So when you put it in your ear and when you take a picture, it actually tells you if you have certain disease.
Oh my gosh.
It tells you if you have otitis media, or by changing the lid, you can actually see inside your mouth and check if you have tonsillitis.
No kidding. One of the things that I remember thinking about when I saw this is, have you ever been to the ear doctor?
Of course.
And have you gone to it where they take a picture of the inside of your ear?
Yeah, of course.
It is the most interesting thing you've ever seen, isn't it? But I mean, having this kind of technology at home really changes everything, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So I think what's interesting about this is the ability to now you take care of yourself at home. So let's take a look. So one side, you guys can't see it. I think I'm looking at the camera over here. And this side, this is where you shove it in your ear, and that's the thermometer. And then you'll look at it here. You got the display screen here as well. And how convenient for Americans. Look at this, Celsius and Fahrenheit at the bottom. You can change that. I mean, being one of the only countries that still does it, my country, good for us. And this comes in a nice pouch as well, but it also comes with, I'm thinking, an application or something?
Of course. So when you take a picture of your ear, it sends to our mobile application directly.
Yeah.
And it actually keeps tracks all of your data, including your temperature and your ear status, and it actually recommends you to go to a hospital or just stay at home and take some medicine.
Yeah, and I think that's pretty cool too, is it gives you that information, the technology and how it explains, or how it is able to read really what's going on inside of your body, gives you that information that you need to make the right healthcare decisions. And again, like I said, with healthcare changing in the industry, it's just something that is going to be a commonplace in the future to take care of yourself at home. So is this, if I'm not mistaken, this is going to be like a home care personal device, this is B2C, is that right?
It's for both, actually.
It's for both, okay.
So we're planning to actually do the rental service to the hospitals too.
Oh, okay.
Because child get so many diseases from ear infections. So if doctor rental this kind of product to each and every household, it will be great. And also for just a normal house who has kids.
Yeah, absolutely. And I was thinking about that too. During the pandemic, I remember not having a thermometer, and I was like, this is terrible. And when I caught COVID, it's one of the first ones, woohoo, I didn't have a thermometer, so my friend actually had to deliver this to my house. But now this, has kind of I don't want to say an all-in-one, but multi-function-in-one abilities. And I think that's pretty cool. And how does it work how does it assess what disease you have? Are we talking about AI technology? Are we talking, what is that here?
So we have the AI data from the Korean hospitals actually, and we have all of the data, and by taking the picture, it actually detects and tells you what kind, if you have those kind of diseases.
Oh, that's really cool. So it works really well, and obviously AI being a huge part of the CES convention, it's great to see how that technology is being incorporated into the medical field. All right, and also, of course, we can't not mention this award, which was for mobile devices, accessories, and apps. Congratulations.
Thank you.
The CES Innovation Awards is a very difficult award to win. I don't know what percentage, but it's definitely one of the more impressive things to see. And I'm sure you've talked, with people at the company, yourself included, it must have been a great honor to receive this.
Many people and many companies actually said congratulations. And yeah, we're proud of this.
Yeah, definitely when you're talking about people walking through and their eyes kind of are drawn to that award, they have to stop by and kind of see what's going on. Absolutely. So, okay, let's finish it out here. Do you know anything about the future plans of the company? Is it expansion into the U.S. market, world market? Is it different products? What are we looking at for the future of, well, of course we have Doctor In-Home, but just overall Otiton Medical?
So for the future, we are trying to launch this product in October in USA, actually, after we get the FDA approval and certificate. And after that, we are thinking about doing the pet care too. So we're gonna use this to dogs and cats to see if they have ear infections.
Well, that makes a lot of sense. You know, pet care industry in the US and Korea, of course, is just expanding incredibly. The amount of money people spend on their pets, nothing against it, it's totally cool. But that market is just growing by leaps and bounds every single year.
And I have pets too, so I know.
What kind of pets do we have?
I have 2 dogs.
2 dogs? Dog people, that's right, that's what's up. I don't have one now. I did raise one and I will raise one in the future. But there you go. So expect some really cool things in the future. We're going to be looking to see what Otiton Medical has, not only to offer in terms of sales in the US and abroad, but also, who knows, maybe pet care technology as well. Thank you so much for talking with us. I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for having me.
There you go. So there it is, Otiton Medical. If you want more information, make sure to contact them and find out what they offer. Chan Young-so, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, man. Great job.
Thank
Really
you.
appreciate it.